Google DeepMind just released Lyra 3. It's their most advanced AI music model to date, and as of today, it is integrated directly into the Gemini app. While the general public is using this to generate novelty songs, its real value, I believe, lies in providing high-fidelity, royalty-free audio for technical workflows, specifically for things like 3D printing B-roll or product design showcases. I've been testing out the output quality, and I want to show you the results immediately. In your Google Gemini app, you should see the homepage like this, and there should be a new option for you. If you go to the Tools, and you can click on Create Music. Here we have some tracks that you can remix, or you can describe your own track. And the cool thing about Lyra 3 is you can actually do multimodal inputs. So we're talking things like text, image, and even video. First, I need a clean, modern track for some close-up B-roll of a recent 3D print. I navigate to the Create Music and ask for a precise electronic pulse at 110 BPM. And this is the raw track output. Fidelity is 48 kHz stereo. It lacks the robotic artifacts found in earlier models, and it's clean enough for a professional showcase. Now for a second example, this time using image to audio. This time I can drag and drop our image of a watch that I designed, and I didn't give it much information other than to try and match the aesthetic of the watch. And here's our result. So the model analyzed the visual textures, the steel, the glass, and translated that into a precise electronic pulse. For designers, this is a massive efficiency gain. So why does this matter for you as a designer or a maker? Lyra 3 is built on a different architecture than previous models, allowing for a much higher musical complexity. It also utilizes SynthID, an invisible digital watermark. Logically, this is our safety net. It identifies the audio as AI generated, which helps prevent copyright flags while allowing us to maintain ownership of the final content. One final technical detail. Lyra 3 is currently capped at 30-second generations. While that sounds like a limitation, for those of us doing product showcases and B-roll footage, it's actually a bit of an optimization. It forces you to keep your shots nice and punchy. If you need more length, the model follows your BPM prompts so strictly that looping these tracks into your editor is mathematically seamless. Lyra 3 is live in the Gemini app right now today. If you're looking to streamline your content production, it's worth taking a look. Just jump into your Gemini app and you should see it in your features right away. And also check out the description of the video for links to all my AI tools that I use currently. And if you want more analysis on how AI is changing the design space, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.